What's up, guys? Welcome back to another taco review. We're at on Pulaski in Chicago, Las Picosas. Carne asada. They were, how much were they? $3.90? $3.90 a taco. My man put too much salt in there. It's too salty. Man, it's too salty. Nothing I can say about it. I can't even taste. I just taste salt. I don't know what. I'm gonna give this a 1 out of 10, I guess. It's just salt. Let me try the other one. Or here, let me try the meat. Yeah, it's too salty. Yeah, it's not juicy or crunchy. Yeah, man. Well, I'll give it a 3 out of 10. Being nice. Have a good one, guys.